Who's ready to spread some Christmas joy? This week's flavor of the week is Christmas Citrus Kombucha. For the base, I'm using black tea. Make sure you always give your ferment one a good stir to evenly distribute the yeast. I still strain out the big chunks of yeast because I don't want that in my kombucha, because as you know, it already builds up at the bottom anyway. So we're using Elderflower Cordial. This is really easy to make. I made a video which I'll post in the description down below. It's sugar, water, elderflower, and lemon. If you don't want to make the elderflower cordial, you can use 1 teaspoon of dried elderflower and 1 teaspoon of sugar. If you need dried elderflowers, I'll post an affiliate link down below to Star West Botanicals. It's where I get all of my dried herbs. We're going to use a tablespoon of the elderflower cordial. Popping in a chunk of ginger in one of the bottles because I wanted to compare the taste. If you like ginger, definitely go ahead and use some. I like that one much more than one without ginger. But not everyone likes ginger, which, I don't know, it's kind of weird. I thought everyone liked it. And we're using a tablespoon of freshly squeezed OJ. You could use box OJ, I'm sure it's fine. I just had fresh oranges on hand, so that's what I'm using. Then I decided, you know what, I'm gonna add a little bit more. So I added a half a tablespoon. So in total, we have a tablespoon and a half of orange juice and the tablespoon of elderflower cordial. Let's fill up our bottles. Look at how beautiful. I mean, come on now. That's beautiful to me. That's just, it's gorgeous. It's just so gorgeous. I let these sit for about 5 days. Strain them out again because I want to get that little baby SCOBY that formed on the top and any other chunks of fruit that I've used, in this case, the ginger. And for our garnish, I use a slice of orange, a slice of lime, and some fresh pomegranates. If I were to do this again, I would crush up the pomegranate some so you can get more of a taste. I want to say something about the garnish. It's not just for looks. So the little bit of lime, the little bit of OJ, and the pomegranate, you can taste. It's like a fresh burst of taste when you first take a sip. And then the flavors of the kombucha, you taste kind of on the back end. So it's just an amazing, tasty experience. If you'd like to make this into a cocktail, vodka or a smooth tequila would work great. Tequila always pairs well with citrus. Gin would also be a nice addition. And if you have some ginger beer, top it off with a little bit of ginger beer. You could use thyme or mint. I just didn't have any on hand. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know how it worked out for you. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed it and share it with your kombucha friends. Let's spread some Christmas cheer. I'll see you in the next video.